To reform the country is not just about making Western Province better or Chimbu better or Eastern Highlands or ECP. It's about giving the opportunity so everybody can get better at the same level.
At the same speed.
Same speed.
In Papua New Guinea, you'll find that there's 6 or 7 provinces that actually get the cream of what is being produced in this country.
That's right.
True.
While the other 15 are actually poor relatives in this country. That needs to change. The injustice is not brought by people from outside the country. The injustice is being perpetuated by some Papua New Guineans on other Papua New Guineans.
True.
And that needs to stop. The vision that our founding fathers had was for equal opportunity for all Papua New Guineans. In the last 6 or 7 years, there was no equal opportunity. Some platas all sit down and take a good stop while the rest were hungry. That needs to change. Passing blood dinaw na put him heavy goal of future generation. That needs to change. And all of this you by pioneering inside the policy ni blagat.